Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So we have an excellent Sunday over at Walgreens, and I found an item at 93% off, the fancy Olay 7 effects. And you might want to get to the store and look for that 93% off at $1.99. Okay, so we're going to be looking at deals at the front end of the video using register rewards, these manufacturers with deals, that sort of a thing. And then the bigger basket, if you wish to use them, I'll explain that as well. And then we're also going to look at the deal with the larger booster at the very end, but the basic deals are going to be on the front end of the video. And if you have a bunch of register rewards, we can use them. And this is known as your booster. One of my cards didn't have it, but it showed up yesterday around 3 o'clock. Double, triple check if you have it. And we're going to do the curbside video, which is the digital orders tomorrow. This is in-store shopping today. You could do me a huge kindness and give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up. It would really mean a lot to me if you could take a second and like the video. It really helps to get the video out and to make sure that my channel doesn't end up in Siberia. So if you could just take a second and like the video, thank you so much in advance, guys. Okay, so this is the first thing you're going to do when you get to the store is walk down the skincare aisle. The Olay Total Effects, the one with SPF for outdoors and the one without, the 7-in-1 unscented, is on clearance for $6.99. Clearance is always your mileage may vary, so hopefully you have the same clearance as I, but this is $6.99, which is a crazy price point. We have a $5 digital that is attaching, so it's going to drop it down to $1.99 for a product that's $27.99. That is 93% off. I went and did it this morning and it was fantastic, so I'm pretty delighted with this. We love our fancy skincare over at Walgreens. While you're in that skincare aisle, I would look around. A lot of these products are up to 75% off, and they're just going to fly at that price point because everybody loves really fancy skincare. Well, I certainly do. And definitely open up your Walgreens app, see if there might be some digital coupons that are attaching. But 75% off is a crazy price point, skincare specifically. So now we're looking at the Love Beauty and Planet shampoo and conditioners for $9. This is a product that we usually don't get really great deals on. So if this is your thing, stock up this week. They are $9 a pop, $5 Walgreens cash reward when you buy 2, register reward. We have this, which is a 9 off 2 digital coupon. Make sure you have it loaded. And this is the deal because it's absolutely fantastic. 2 of these for $18, 9 times 2. That's how I'm getting the math. Subtracting your digital coupon, you're going to pay $9. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $4 for the 2 or $2 per. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. If you might have, say, a $5 Dove register reward from last week and a $4 from Garnier, throw those 2 in and you would pay tax and then you would get back your $5 register reward. It's on 2 different promotions, so that should work. Please make sure the cashier scans both of the products to ensure that, the 2 register rewards will attach. Everybody's favorite, the L'Oreal Elvive, is 2 for $9 this week. We have a $2 store coupon and then a 4 off 2 digital. I kind of thought that might be the thing, and guess what? It is the thing. So this is fantastic. And just to show you, this is our manufacturer, which is a 4 off 2. Loaded, guys. Even if this isn't your thing, maybe there might be a better deal in the coming weeks. And then this is a monthly coupon with the Walgreens coupon, so it's valid till the end of the month, and it's a 2 off of 2. So grabbing 2 of these shampoos, it's $9, subtracting your store coupon and the 4 off 2 manufacturer, you're going to pay $3 for the 2 or $1.50 per shampoo. And if you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use $3 in Walgreens cash. Alternatively, if you might have a $3 register reward from Dove last week, throw that into the mix and you're paying down tax, and that is called super smart. Now we're looking at some very inexpensive Palmolive. I know that Dawn recently changed their blend of soap and a lot of people are not happy with it, so this might be an alternative deal. $2.99 for the Palmolive, $2 register reward when you buy 2. We also got this very generous $1.50 digital coupon. Make sure you have it loaded for this little dealio. So grabbing 2 of these guys, it's $5.98. Subtracting your manufacturer, Here's the math, guys. Two of these Palmolives is $5.98. Subtracting that $1.50 digital, you're going to pay $4.44 out of pocket. Get back a $2 register reward, making it $2.44 for the two, or $1.22 per. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. If you might have a $4 Garnier register reward from last week, throw it into the mix and pay 44 cents, and then you're going to get back your another $2 register reward. But it's a really smart flip to get rid of that $4 register reward. And if you just want to do a bunch of smaller deals because you don't want to do a $45 basket, just an alternative deal. And now we're looking at this, which is the 4 for $10 for the Dawn Febreze Mr. Clean products. So if you want to mix and match, go for it. I know this is a time that a lot of us will stock up on this dish soap because it's so cheap. A lot of people don't like the new scent, so alternatively, you can get the Platinum or the Apple. You pick. I mean, you're the boss. But we also have these other products that include the Multi-Surface Cleaner by Mr. Clean. I think it's a good product. And then those car clips by Febreze. And then we also have this sponge. It's like a magic eraser, and it's also 4 for $10. Honestly, that would be an excellent item to stock up on. But grabbing 4 of these products for $10, again, you can mix and match if you wish. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash, register rewards if you might have it. This is a no booster deal, but at $2.50, I think this is a smart stock up time. Stock up price and stock up time. Your stock up deal is the Arm & Hammer pods, if this is your thing. They are 3 for $7.49. It makes it $2.49 per bag, and the liquid is also included, but I know a lot of you are all about the pods. It hasn't been for the last couple times in the $1.99 weeks, so this is just an alternative deal. Let's talk about the Cheerios cereal. It must be Cheerios that are $2.49 this week over at Walgreens. The original price is $5.99 a box. Wow, that is really expensive. We have this digital coupon, which is $1 off too. Make sure you have it loaded. There are many General Mills cereal, but the IBOTTA rebate is for Cheerios only. And it's 75 cents back for each box. And there is no stipulation that you can't use a manufacturer coupon with this deal. So it must be something with General Mills. Double, triple check your IBOTTA account that you have this rebate. And then Fetch Rewards has a bigger progressive. Mine is to spend 10, get back $1.20. So you would be halfway there with this deal. So, if you buy a lot of cereal, make sure that you photograph that receipt to the Fetch Rewards app for a little bit something extra. So grabbing 2 of these boxes, it's going to be $4.98. Subtracting your digital coupon, you're going to pay $3.98. Photograph your receipt to IBOTTA for $1.50 back, making it $2.48 for the 2, or $1.24 per box. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. And if you might have that $3 register reward from Dove from last week, throw it into the mix. So you pay 98 cents and then just rinse and repeat. And now let's look at a quick deal with the Colgate at $4 a pop. $3 register reward when you buy 2 of these. So here is the specifics. There it is. $3 register reward when you buy 2. And then we have this digital coupon, which is a 3 off a 2 off of the Colgate toothpaste. So grabbing 2 of the boxes at $4 a pop, guys, that's $8. Subtracting your digital coupon, you're going to pay $5. Get back one $3 register reward, making it 2 for 2, or $1 per toothpaste. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. The Dove shampoo deal that we did last week, we were getting back $5 register rewards. If you want to throw that into the mix, go for it, and it should work for you. Okay, the final thing that we're going to look at is my $45 basket. And for this one, I kind of went a little bit over, but it's going to make sense at the end. So this is the basket that I had: the 2 Love Beauty and Planet, 2 larger Dove bar soaps, an OLAY Total Effect, and some Palmolive dish soap. Okay, so for this guy, we have the 9 off 2 digital coupon. You got to pick up 2 of them. Pretty straightforward deal. And then I also picked up this guy for $6.99 just to get the basket to $45. If you can't find one of these, you're going to need a filler item, and we'll look at the math there in a second. 2 of the Palmolives at $2.99 a pop. And then I went with the Dove bar soap because this is a product that we don't really get a lot of deals on. And if you're about bar soap, I think you might really like it. but they're $10 each, and then a $3 register reward when you buy two. And then we have a 5 off 2 digital coupon. If you might have a paper booster as well to throw into the mix, it'll make your out of pocket maybe a freebie or even cheaper. So you might want to see if you might have one of those or one prints for you. Looking at the math here, one of the Olay total effects for $6.99, two Palmolive dish soaps for $5.98, two Love Beauty and Planet shampoos for $18, and two Dove bar soaps for $20. The total here is $50.97. Now, if you cannot find that clearance total effects, it's cool. Your total would be $43.98, so you would be $1 too short. Grab something else to make that basket at $45. Anyhow, you're going to need your booster loaded, which is 8 back when you spend $45. We have $20.50 in digitals melting off of this basket, and I showed you those coupons in slides previous. You're going to pay $30.47 with your debit card as you're using a spend booster. You're getting back $8 in Walgreens cash and $10 in register rewards, making it $12.47 for the 7 items. Remember not to use any store register rewards or Walgreens cash to pay down the balance as you're using the spend booster of spend $45 to get back $8. Now, with the larger $45 basket, if you have these manufacturer register rewards from Garnier, Dove, last week, because it says manufacturer at the very top, it's like a manufacturer coupon. So with that $45 basket, yes, you can use these. So, and your other register rewards should print for you. But just be mindful of that. If it says manufacturer, yes, you can. If it says store register reward, unfortunately, you can't. That's it for this video, guys. We'll see you tomorrow in the curbside video. Bye.